Brady's reagent, which is a mixture of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, phosphoric acid, and ethanol, can be used to test for the presence of carbonyl groups in organic compounds. In the presence of the carbonyl group C-double-bond-O, 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine reacts to form a yellow to orange precipitate. Here we are testing propanone, propanal, and ethanoic acid. As you can see, propanone forms a yellow precipitate, while propanal an orange precipitate, indicating the presence of the carbonyl group in both. Ethanoic acid, however, fails to produce any precipitate, indicating a lack of the carbonyl group. This experiment can be followed up by determining the melting point of the precipitate for more confirmation.